Here's how to link your Steam account to your Xbox account through the Xbox app. Press the Windows key and search for Xbox. Open the Xbox app and wait for it to fully load. Click your name or profile in the top left corner and go to Settings. On the left sidebar, click Account, then scroll down to find Linked Accounts. Find Steam in the list and click Link. Your browser will open and ask you to sign in to your Microsoft account first. Enter your credentials and confirm. Once signed in, it will redirect you to Steam. If you are already logged into Steam on that browser, it will recognize you automatically. If not, enter your Steam username and password and click Sign In. A confirmation screen will appear. Click Open Xbox to complete the link. You will also be given the option to show your Steam game activity on your Xbox profile, which you can enable or leave off depending on your preference. Once linked, your Steam and Xbox accounts are connected, which enables cross-platform features in supported games and lets your friends see your activity across both platforms. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.